Let me ask you one question. Have you ever wondered how companies manage thousands of customers, leads, sales, everything in one system? And more importantly, who builds that system? That is the role of a CRM developer. And if you are someone who want to move into high paying IT role, work on Microsoft technologies, or build real enterprise applications, then this series is going to change your career, because this is not just a tutorial, this is a complete roadmap to become a CRM developer. So, hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud BI Academy. I have 50 plus year of experience working with Microsoft technology like SQL Server, SSIS, Azure, and now I will help you transition into CRM development step by step. And don't worry if you are a beginner, because I will explain everything in the simplest way possible. So before we start, let's understand why you should learn CRM and why are companies investing so much in CRM systems. Because business is not just about products, it's about managing relationships. Every company needs customer tracking, sales pipeline, data insights, and CRM does exactly that. And as a developer, you are the one who builds and customizes this system. Let's simplify CRM. CRM stand for customer relationship management. Let's take an example. You visit a website, fill a form. Now what happened? That data becomes a lead in CRM. Sales team contact you, you, you show interest. Now you become an opportunity. And finally you purchase. Now you are a customer. So if you go to this life cycle flow, lead, qualify, opportunity, opportunity convert in customer record, and this customer record support case statements. So this entire journey is managed inside CRM. Now the big question, which CRM tool are we learning? That is Microsoft Dynamic 365. So Dynamic 365 is Microsoft's CRM platform used by enterprises worldwide. If you learn this, you can work in top companies. I can show you dynamic UI for you. So this is dashboard for our Dynamic 365. It include module like sales, customer services, marketing. But as a developer, we don't just use it, we customize it. Now comes the most important concept, Dataverse. So Dataverse is the backend database of CRM. If you know SQL Server, think of Dataverse as your database. But here you don't directly write SQL queries. Everything you see in CRM is stored in Dataverse. For example, This is accounts. So this data is told in our say Dataverse. Now let's move to this is dynamic platform architecture with six integrated layer apps, platform, data, security, extendability, where we are using the plugins, virtual tables, JavaScript, web API, integrations like Azure functions, service bus, Synapse, M365. So let's understand how CRM work internally. So in first layer, as a UI layer, what user sees, business logic, that is rules, and data is stored in Dataverse. So this is very common interview question regarding architecture. So you can explain that one. So enough theory. Now let's see real CRM system. So for the practice, you can download Dynamic 365 trial version. And here you can select sales module because it is a core CRM, and through your whatever login and the user ID password, you can log in with that. And I can show you the uh, most important. This is the our CRM dashboard. This is your Power App. So here we have a tables like account, contact, lead. Like for example, this is account table, contact table, and one more lead table are there. And if you want to use a table, team table, so these are the tables already available. Product is there. Here you can create blank tables. If you have some structure, so you can export from CSV file. So for example, account, I can go here. So here we have an option, create a new record. Okay. So this is how real business data is stored. Now imagine you are the developer and working on this system. So you will uh, customize table, add logic. So here you can customize your tables, add logic, and integrate the systems. So you are not just coding, you are building business solution. So today we build the foundation of CRM development. In next video, we will start real development, entities, relationship, customization. So if you are serious about becoming a CRM developer, so subscribe now and don't miss our next video.